What is nautical chart? Nautical chart are key to safe in navigation. And what is the use of nautical chart? A nautical chart is one of the most fundamental tools available to the mariners. It is a map that depicts the configuration of the shoreline and seafloor. It provides water depth, location of danger to navigation, location and characteristic of aids to navigation, anchorage, and other features. Nautical symbols. And these are the nautical symbols, sir. And from alpha and to use small craft leisure facilities. Alpha is chart, number, title, and marginal notes, and Bravo position, distance, direction, and compass. Charlie, natural features, and Delta, cultural features, and etc. And what is tides? Tides are the rise and fall of sea levels caused by the combined effects of the gravitational forces exerted by the moon, and to a much lesser extent the sun, and are also caused by Earth and the moon orbiting one another. And what are the different types of tides? And there are three types of tides, and that and these are journal, semi-journal, and mixed semi-journal. And journal tides. An area has journal tidal cycle if it experiences one high and one low tide every lunar day. Many areas in the Gulf of Mexico experience this type of tides. And this is the sample picture of the journal. And this is the high tide and this is the low tide. And the second one is semi-journal. An area has a semi-journal tide cycle if it experiences two high and two low tides of approximately equal size every lunar day. Many areas on the eastern coast of North America experience these tidal cycles. And this is the example picture of semi-journal. And in upper, this is the high tides, and the lower is the low tides, and the tide is meters, and that is the example of the semi-journal. The third, the third example of tides is the mixed semi-journal tides. Mixed semi-journal tides cycle lower middle. An area has a mixed semi-journal tidal cycle if it experiences two high and two low tides of different size every lunar days. Many areas on the western coast, North America, experience these tidal cycles. And this is the high tide in the upper right and going down to the low tide in hours and time. And this is the low tide in the lower bottom of the left side. And I think that's all. And thank you, sir.